Options Tender. We are just before the bell on Wednesday, 2/24/21. We have a bunch to go through. Huge bounce, great follow through. We're over the 8 MA. We are, in my book, we are looking bullish. We still have a couple things to fix on the charts, but we'll look at those and see where we are, see if we need any pullbacks, and see what's happening. So if you like this information, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe. We have some great information for you every morning, every evening, and on the weekends, and even started doing Bitcoin just to help all those out that are brand new trading, jumping in the Bitcoin bandwagon. So let's jump into it. We have the SPX. It's the options expected move. I'll tag the video up top. Gives us a playing field each and every week. We hand draw these lines just to show. You see, when we did our dip yesterday, we came right through the expected move. We touched the 50 as well, but the hedges came on and brought price right back into the range. That's not unusual. Usually price stays pretty consistent right between those two lines, whether it be the bottom or the upside. Enough of that. We will put another board on here. Trend is our friend. You notice we are above the 8 MA. I think it's safe to say, you never know what happens at the end of the trading session, but I think it's safe to say we'll probably close above the 8 MA. Our momentum was turning down, but you see the histogram turning brown, getting a little bit lighter there because we're curling. We're pretty much sideways at this point, and hopefully we'll curl to the upside and make a higher low and maybe even burn through these divergences. If this is a wave 1, it's on wave 2, then we gotta turn and burn. Okay, so we'll watch the momentum, see if we can get follow through day by day, and curling up on the RSI after bouncing off that 50 line that I talk about often. On the 65-minute chart, we're going to go over to the ES, and we'll map out our day and see what might happen tomorrow. All right, so we had our huge channel down. Nice correction, bounced off the 3804 area, came back into the expected move, and now we're looking at a wave 1, 2, and I believe we're on a wave 3. Maybe we'll come up to this this point right here, 3936, before we consolidate a bit and then move on up some more. It's been great trading. I think that's enough said on that one. We had our inverse head and shoulder play out through the neckline. We're back in the upper ranges. Momentum is moving to the upside and increasing in velocity. We're not even overbought on the RSI. I think we have room to run. So let's look at some trade ideas that we did today or reviewed from this morning. We were in and out of some plays today. Boeing, we had a inverse head and shoulder. We ended up looking at this. We're in this consolidation. I decided to take the trade, and I'm still in it. I'm swinging Boeing right now. When Boeing gets going, there's no stopping it. It just trends. It just keeps moving. So love Boeing right here. WDC right into resistance. We ended up playing the pullback, and we're already out. That was a wonderful 2-day trade. Tesla, we didn't have a chance to get into this one. I was looking, but I didn't get the price that I wanted. We'll see what happens when it comes up to this 50 MA and the 8 MA. If it comes back down, came through that gap there. If we have a chance for maybe a wave 1, for a wave 2 pullback, and we'll look to get into Tesla on the pullback. Mara. We're out of this trade already. We put this on yesterday, had a wonderful 27% move. So we got out before we had to mess with the 8 MA. Once we get over there or pull back, we'll check that one out again. US Steel, looked at it this morning, got into this play. I'm here for the swing. I'll take it off right before resistance and then watch to see if we can break through or if we pull back again. Awesome plays. And this one was a huge day trade. It was not meant to be a day trade. We got into this play, pushed off the 8MA with this. We had an inside day here, pushed off the 8MA and did not stop, closed this gap. And the gains were huge. So I just took that one off. No playing around. Once you have gains that you like, take the trade off. Don't try to get greedy. All right. So that does it for us. Hit that like button. It really helps us out here. And decide to describe. We want to spread the word and spread the wealth. Thank you for joining us here at Options Center. We will talk to you in the morning.